there.
Got a hit?
I think so.
I got a hit on my dingling.
Come on.
You getting mad at that stick?
No, something's like trying to bite the crap out of it.
They're not just biting it, they're biting the crap out of it. Trying to get a piece of it.
Yeah, they did bite the crap out of it. He was
Perfect.
stuck.
What is that?
It's a barracuda.
That's not catfish. That's like a little bat.
Yeah, it is. It's a miniature-sized bat.
Nope. There you go.
He's fast.
There you go.
And sure.
I got something pretty good too. It's gonna be a small one, Charlie. Watch.
No, that's a big one.
This is a good fish.
You gotta be careful when you're getting them up. Don't pull them out of the water.
Get my net.
Don't pull them out of the water. Just yeah. Otherwise he'll get off.
Here. Net, hurry up! You said you're getting the net, and then you don't get it. Right. I have no idea what it is, but all I know is it's a good-sized fish.
That looks like a oh, I forget what they call them.
Is that a carp?
No, let's say
Man, look at the fillet on that. You catch that on a, that's a good-looking fish.
only problem is you can't eat them out of here.
No?
That's really cool. That's the same type I caught last time.
He ain't going nowhere. You catch that on a worm? Yeah. You just left it out there? Now you know there's bigger fish out here. Here, Charlie, here's my phone. You take a picture.
Yeah. Well, I got it on video, the whole thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at his camera on. Take a picture.
Oh, my hands are wet. Yeah, so let him
Hit
do it.
the top right button.